short poem for kids on patriotism. Today I am going to recite a poem on Independence Day. Name of poem is India is My Pride. Poem is written by Dr. Prashant Bhatt. I pledge my life to nation right when I was born. Come if may situation, I will fight the raging storm. I idealize my soldiers with love in every breath. The tricolor on their shoulders fills passion in my blood. To brighten up its future, I will toil day and night. Diverse and rich in culture, my India is my pride. My India is my pride. My India is my pride. Happy Independence Day. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.